Okay guys, so I just got the NFL Game Plan Premium Pack, and before I open, I have also 6 Pro Packs, so I'm going to do an opening for you guys right now. So first, I'm going to open a Pro Pack. I'm not going to look on this one, so... Alright, so I got Bobby Massey, 76 overall, not the best. Alright, let's do a quick reveal. Mark Barron, 75 safety, not so good. Selling him. On to the next pack. I'm gonna just do a quick fast pick. Ooh, 87 Jason Witten Elite. That's a nice pull. Hell yeah, baby. Yeah. Take a photo with that. Okay, let's continue. Let's do another quick one. Didn't work. 75 overall center, righty. Alright, now on to this Pro Pack. Let's do, I'm not gonna look. And I just quickly went by that one, and I'll show you guys that one later. Now on to the Premium Pack. So, that's our 1 silver. Okay, so we got decent players on that one, so... Let's see what I got. If I got an elite. Nope. I did get an elite though. Jason Witten, baby. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be posting a new video soon, so see you guys later. Peace.